Hello there. Today I've decided to try working on a bigger canvas, even though I'm still not comfortable with doing it. But I am going to do what I wanted to after I did my last video with the small canvases. And I'm going to do an open cut pour. I've already put down black, and I'm going to use the red and the gold that I told you about last time, and I'm going to put them into the open cup, which I will probably do 2 or 3 times on the canvas, do a bit of tilting until I get a picture that I like. So I'll just plop that down there for now. And my colours, as I said, are gold, and I've made them a little bit thicker this time, so they are more like the runny honey that I like to use. That's the gold and the red. Now this time I've made one difference. I have only added silicone to the gold. I know it's metallic, it should already provide cells for me, but I just wanted to have the one with the silicone in it. So I'm going to pour those colours into the open cup and see what I can make, and I'll get started now. is enough tilting for me. We've got two different golds now. There is the original gold I made up, which is my artist's acrylic paint. And then there is the other gold I already had made up, which is the Art Ranger gold, which is a deeper gold. But the second lot I put in out of my small squirt bottle didn't have any silicone in it. But I'm going to use my torch now to see what I can get, see if I can make any cells come through, other than the ones that are already starting to show up. And that's the whole point of me putting the silicone into the paint, is for the cells. And I'm not sure how well they're going to do. They're starting already. Some quite nice little ones coming through here. And when I've finished this, I'm going to walk away for a while and just let it develop and come back and see what I have actually ended up with. So I will now be back soon, and I will bring the camera down to the painting to show you what it looks like. Okay, so I'm bringing the camera in for a closer look now. I'll see if I can get the whole picture in there first. I don't know if I can, but that is how it looks with all the cells now out. And I went away for 10 minutes, so I have no doubt that some of those cells will continue to develop. And there's the big island of gold which had no silicone in it. And there's the other island of gold which had all the silicone in it. But it has certainly made some amazing patterns in the red and the black over here. I'm actually very, very happy with the way this has developed with the cells, particularly with the red centres in some of them. No, they are not perfectly formed little round or large round cells. I have one or two of those which are quite pretty, but overall they add to the picture. I've got some more here, just one and a couple of them that are almost what are called perfect cells. But you can probably see me doing this and talking to you on the black. Hello. So the painting in my eyes is something like I would expect if Mars had lakes of gold. And that is my picture for today. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.